and welcome to another Bloom Masters video. Today we're going to be talking all about begonias. Remember, you can always go to our website for more information on today's topic and any other information you might need on annuals. Also go to our YouTube channel to see more videos on bedding plants. Okay, begonias, everybody's favorite annual. If you've grown annuals before, you've probably bought a begonia at some point in your life. These are a great plant, and that's why everybody uses them. Begonias, lots of different types of begonias. You've got Rex begonias, tuberous begonias. We are talking today about wax begonias, Begonias semperflorens. So, in the landscape, this is a fantastic plant. Doesn't really have any food value. It's a little bit sour to eat, and that is because inside these leaves is an acid called oxalic acid. That can be toxic, so we don't recommend ever eating begonias, although some cultures do. So, all we're going to talk about today is the landscape. Begonias come in multiple different sizes, colors, varieties. The biggest difference when we talk about wax begonias is going to be green leaf or bronze leaf. So if you look here side by side, I've got a bronze leaf red right next to a green leaf white. Not very hard to tell which one has the green foliage and which one has the bronze foliage. So in the southeast, we generally recommend bronze leaf being planted in the full sun, green leaf being planted in partial sun or full shade. Now, here in Florida, you can plant green leaf begonias in the full sun in early spring and late fall. We actually grow a lot of our green leaf begonias in the full sun in early spring and late fall to harden them off so they're not too soft when you put them in the landscape. A couple things to know about begonias is that the genus has more than 1,800 species. 1,800 species, making it one of the largest of the flowering plants. Begonias naturally come from South and Central America, Africa, and North Asia, but as we discussed, you can find them all over the world. They are so fluent here in the United States that the American Begonia Society actually categorizes them into 8 major groups of begonias. So, back to the landscape. So bronze leaf begonias, great plant, no maintenance. Like most begonias, they don't like wet areas, so we don't recommend begonias for anywhere that's wet. They like dry feet, they like a good soil that can drain down so they don't stay wet too long. These plants can be planted in the shade, but they will lose almost all of their blooms and get real soft and fleshy, so we don't recommend planting these in the shade. Try to keep these in the sun. Next side down is going to be your green leaf begonias. Beautiful plants, bright green foliage, great contrast, really bright colored flowers. Like we said, can be planted full sun, early spring, late fall. The rest of the year, we look at putting them in at least a partial sun situation where they're getting a little bit of a break and not getting 8-10 hours of direct sun every day. Now, the next variety we're going to talk about is everybody's soon-to-be favorite, and that's going to be your Whopper begonia. The Whoppers currently come in red and rose, and they come in, this is the bronze leaf, they also come in a green leaf variety, so they do have a shade option. Now these plants, unlike your regular begonias, are gonna get big. They're called Whoppers for a reason. They'll get about 30 inches tall. Your smaller begonias, they're gonna be topping off right around 15 inches, maybe 18 inches in a really hot season. So twice as big as other begonias. The blooms get about 3 inches across, so your blooms can be twice as big. This plant also, because of its vigor, will push through early summer. So other begonias normally mid to late May start dying out. The Whoppers here in the southeast will actually push you all the way through May and into June. So really vigorous. They can handle wet areas a little bit better. They can handle heat a little bit better. They are a premium. They're a little bit more expensive, but great plant. And I expect most of you who use them will come back and use them year after year. So. All right, so we've talked about our bronze leaf begonias, our green leaf begonias, and then our big varieties of Whoppers. And all 3 of these, there is no maintenance, no deadheading, Just very important to understand that they can't be planted in a wet area. And that's about all you got to worry about. So for continuous flowering power all through spring and all through fall, the begonia is the go-to plant. So thanks again for watching. Remember to go to our YouTube, to our website and check out any information there, or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Have a great day.